Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. A hearty welcome to each one of you on the first day of a new academic year 2021-22. At the offset of the year 2020-21 is the new beginning of the academic year 2021-22. In spite of the challenging times of COVID-19 pandemic, we didn't lose hope and held our hands together to overpower the situation. It is the time to start something new and trust the magic of new beginnings with great enthusiasm and energy. I, Anjali Dubey of class 12, is privileged to welcome you all to the new academic session. Starting a year with God's blessings and guidance is the best way to progress. So, let's commence the new academic year with a prayer to energize our thoughts and cherish our dreams.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
To ignite the light of patriotism, to remind us our duties towards our nation at the very onset, we have Vaishnavi Jayannan of class 9D.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now, I would request Aditya Krishnan, head boy, NCS Kochi, to address the gathering.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'ams, teachers and my fellow students. It is my honor and privilege as head boy, Navy Children's School, Kochi, to extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you on the commencement of the new academic session. This year is going to be a roller coaster ride filled with fun, knowledge, growth and success. I encourage you to be open to new ideas, experiences and directions. You will undoubtedly be challenged to think about new topics or view old topics in new ways. You never know when something may pique your interest. As you step into the final year of school, you will realize that being the senior most batch, all the other students look forward to emulate you and learn from you. Schooling isn't just about education, but also about building a personality and an attitude combined to form a unique character. Hard work and determination are the essential prerequisites for any student to be successful. Do set goals for yourself and work your way towards achieving them. Timely guidance of our teachers will support you in accomplishing your dreams. So be ready to capture some magical and happy moments as you commence on your last but most memorable year of school life. I conclude by offering you some simple advice on how to make the best of your class 12. Develop your knowledge and skills by working on it on a daily basis. Challenge yourself and your peers regularly and have a friendly competitiveness. Try to be extraordinary in everything you do. Above all, have fun. I wish you all the best of luck for all your future endeavors. Thank you.
Inhale the future, exhale the past. Yoga facilitates us with spiritual, physical and emotional strength to start afresh. I would request Dr. Debala Devi, yoga teacher NCS Kochi, to instill in us the required peace and strength for the upcoming year.
mental health is just as important as physical fitness, and it should not be neglected. Yoga, Chitta Vritti Nirodha, refers to stilling the mind in order to experience ultimate reality and move towards self-realization. So yoga has a vital role for mental and physical health. Yama and niyama in yoga makes a person engages in practice that are individually beneficial for mental health. Mental health is very important in educational outcome, productivity at work, development of positive personal relationships, even for students, staffs, and the parents. Pranayama reduces perceived stress levels. It calms the nervous system, which improves your stress response. It also supplies your body with oxygen while removing toxins. So let's practice meditation.
Or meditation is an act of continuous contemplation. Sit in any meditative posture. Keep your spine comfortably erect. Hold Jnana Mudra. Keep your palms facing upwards upon the thighs. Arms and shoulders should be loose and relaxed. Close your eyes and sit with a slightly upturned face. You need not concentrate, just maintain a mild focus between the eyebrows and be conscious of your breath. Dhyan keeps the mind calm and quiet, increases concentration, memory, clarity of thought, and willpower. It rejuvenates the whole body and mind, giving them proper rest. Meditation leads to self-realization. Keep focusing the natural and pure breath moving in and out of your body. Continue to be this state of dhyana. I commit myself to always be in a balanced state of mind. It is in this state that my highest self-development reaches its greatest possibility. I commit to do my duty to self, family, at work, to society, and to the world for the promotion of peace, health, and harmony. Let's end the yoga session with Santipat or universal prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani paschantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhave, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhave. Om
end of today's morning assembly, I would like to thank our dear Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, our beloved teachers and my dear friends. I hope you all enjoyed this session's first morning assembly. I would like to wish each one of you all the very best for the upcoming academic session. Have a successful year ahead, and on a lighter note, don't forget face mask, sanitizer and social distancing. Thank you. Now I would request each one of you to please stand in attention position for the national anthem.